Aladi Chandrasekhar from Hyderabad. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to unbox this powered air purifying respirator which is called PAR03D model. It consists of two boxes. One is hood with a face shield along with the airflow pipe, and another box is containing of filtration system. First I am going to demonstrate you how to fix this filtration system, then I'll go to this hood with the airflow pipe. Basically this filtration system consists of a turbine which also consists of a caster wheels, and we have to connect these caster wheels to a filtration system. Okay, here we have three ports which this caster wheels go and fit. I'm going to connect these caster wheels to the filtration system now. Okay, once all these three wheels are fixed, we're going to just put this in a vertical position, and you can move this filtration system easily with the help of these three wheels. Okay, once these three wheels are fixed, I'm going to show you briefly about this filtration system. This filtration system has got inlet called where there is a HEPA filter, medical grade HEPA filter inside, along with the 12 watts BLDC motor, and it has got 11,000 RPM speed, and along with the 7800 mAh lithium battery inside this filtration system. And there is a switch on and off button on this filtration system, and this is a speed adjusting valve. Okay, and there is a air outlet from where the filtered air goes into the airflow pipe. Okay, and this is a battery indicator. When the battery is low, the indicator will change from green to red, and the battery is full, it will show as a green light, and when the battery is low, the green light will change to red light. Okay, and along with this we are providing a charger. The charger can be connected to the filtration system to the charger port, which is located just next to the outlet port, and this can be connected to the charging point. Okay, once the charger is connected, you can just switch on the filtration system. As the battery is full, now the indicator is showing as a green, but when you use it for more than 2 to 2.5 hours, automatically the battery will drain off. Then you have to connect the charger to the port and charge the battery. The maximum usage of the filtration system without battery, without connector or charger is maximum 2.5 hours. Once the battery is drained off, you have to connect to the charging port, or else when you have an opportunity to connect to the charging port and while using this filtration system, you can use in that way also. Okay, once you switch on this, once the charger is connected to the charging port, when you see there is a green light, there is no necessity to connect this charger to the filtration system, and you can remove this now. Okay, now I am going to just switch this off, and I am going to the second part that contains hood with a face shield and along with the airflow pipe. Okay, always make sure that you sanitize your hands before removing this hood from your box. Okay, and this hood with a face shield consists of two parts. One is hood with a face shield, and another is 3 meter length airflow pipe. Okay, this airflow pipe will go and get connected to a filtration system at the air outlet part. Okay, just hold this firmly and connect this airflow pipe to the air outflow inlet. Okay, once this is fixed, now your PAPR is ready to use. Okay, and make sure that always before you use this PAPR and you try to sanitize or disinfect this PAPR with any alcohol based wipes. Okay, and you can wipe this PAPR from outside, or you can wipe the PAPR from in. You can wipe this hood from outside and inside. Okay, once this is completely sanitized, okay, you can wear this and you can start using this. And one important point to be noted is, whenever you switch on this filtration system, make sure that once this filtration system is on, you can hear this beep. Once you stop hearing this beep, then only you have to run this filtration system. Okay, before, when you try to or else you can put it this way, your air control valve or speed control valve should be taken to complete zero before this motor get initialized. Okay, once the motor get initialized, only you have to increase the speed of the, or you can adjust this speed valve. Okay, and one more tip is, before using this filtration system, make sure that this filtration system is off, and you have to wear this filtration system, and make sure that this airflow pipe always goes to the back. Okay, you can wear this hood like this and adjust the hood from the back. You can ask your assistant to adjust the hood from the back, and once this hood is on, and you can just switch this on. Now you can hear the beep. Once the beep is over, then you can adjust the air volume. And whenever your case is done, you can take this air adjusting volume to 0 slowly and switch this filtration system off. Okay, then you can remove the hood from the top and make sure that you are not touching your hands onto the shield or any part of the hood. Once you take this off, make sure that you are picking one alcohol based wipe and nicely clean it from all the sides. You can clean from the outer portion. You can clean from inside of the mask. Okay, and also you can wipe the connecting pipe. And once this is clean, you can just dispose the wipe, and you can hang it somewhere so that it won't just get contaminated while it is not used. And you have any query about this product, usage of this product, you can contact us anytime. Signing off, Dr. Chandrasekhar Alladi. Thank you.